Hello everyone, I'm Behnam and I'm happy to be here and presenting for you. In this video, I'm gonna go over some scamming websites, some investment websites like Moneybirds, Golden Farm, and so on. To demonstrate how they are, I search Moneybird. Here is a Russian website. They're almost all the same with the same birds. You pay and buy some birds and they produce eggs. That eggs converts to silver and that silver converts to money for you. Well, so far so good. It seems it's working unless I'm logged in, I paid and bought some birds and about 5 or 6 months later I have 50,000 of this bird, 10,000 of this bird, 10,000 of these, 1,000 of these, and 8,600 of the last bird they have. So I have a lot of eggs. So I go to my egg warehouse. There are a lot of eggs. I just collect them all, and then I'm going to selling eggs. Each 100 eggs convert to 1 silver, and I sell all of them. And as you say, the distribution between my silver of accounts, some of them go to the withdrawal and some of them go to the purchase, and it's half. So you have some options of exchanger. You can change your withdrawal silver to the purchase silver. With purchase silver you can buy more birds, and with withdrawal you can withdraw money, of course. So if you say, Behnam, you have a lot of shopping silvers, okay, you can buy birds, and you have about 86 million silvers for withdrawal. So why aren't you withdrawing? Let's go and see what's happening. Withdrawing call, and I choose pay here, and I choose an amount of money, approximately 10,000, because I cannot pick more than 100,000 at each second. And as you see, the 10,000 has become to 100 rubles. And if you don't know how much is a ruble, you have to just search ruble to USD, and each 1,000 rubles change to 1 USD. So it's not a lot of money. I add another zero, so it's 1,000 rubles. So I order my payment. As you can see, it says there are not enough cash points. So where the hell come these cash points from? Let's see. By clicking on that, there is absolutely no other ways to go to the cash points unless it says you don't have enough. So I go here, I have my cash point balance, and it's for 1.4, and for each I can withdraw 1 rubles. Here they're literally saying that when I invest money here, I get up to 20% of that for withdrawal. So I cannot get more than 20% of my money. So here it comes the conclusion. First, why some people are getting a lot of benefits that have videos of withdrawing a lot of money from these websites. Here comes the answer. It's the power of referrals. If you have level 1 referral, which is the person you directly invited to the website, you get 20% of their withdrawal. So if you're familiar with Ponzi systems, it is announcing that I'm Ponzi. So we say that, okay, it's not Ponzi, let's be positive. You get 20% of level 1 referral, 5% of level 2, and 3, 2, and 1%, and so on. So when 1% invests $100, 20% goes to himself, 20% goes to his upper hand 1 level. The second upper hand gets 5%, 3 and 2, and it's 51% in total. 20 and 20 is 40, 5, 45, 48, 50 and 51% of the money they're investing can be backed up through other persons. So the level 1 referral gets the 20%, so he thinks that he's earning money, but he's earning other people's money. The referred person money, he's earning that, and that's how they can benefit from the website. But there is something amazing here. 2 million people are here, and 500 of them registered just today. And here is the amazing news that this website is saying that project reserve is this amount of money. That it's mind-blowing that they're saying we're reserving money from this project. We're gaining money, just not these birds are making money. They're just passing other people's money to each other and pick their 50 or to be strict 49% of their money. So your money will disappear here. As I show you, I only invested $14 to show you that this is a total scam. You may have a lot of birds, a lot of earning, a lot of silvers, but without referring other people and without getting their money, that is absolutely not ethical to get other people's money. You cannot earn money. So there is no free money. There is the same with Golden Farm. Here I show you the same. They're exactly the same birds. It's green, yellow, brown, blue, and red one, and they added some king birds, which is ridiculous. But if you have a green bird, it produces 5 eggs per hour. So how much is it? 5 eggs per hour, 24. It's 120 eggs per day. So how much silver do you get? 1.2 silver, which would be divided by 2. Half of that goes for purchase and half of that go for withdrawal. So you have 0.6 silvers per day. And to get 150 silvers, how much is it? 0.6. You need to wait 250 days to buy another green bird with one green bird, which is ridiculously long time. It's approximately a year to double your income. And as you see, I have 43 here, I have 149, and I will just go to my egg warehouse. I just collect all of them. I go and sell my eggs, and as you can see, I have 800. I cannot buy the second, even though I have 10 yellow birds and 43 green birds. I cannot get one yellow bird. So okay, no problem, I get only 4 or 5. I get another one and it's 48. Okay, go and I can get another yellow bird in 1 month, or I don't know, maybe 2 months later. So how long does it take to earn a lot of other birds and get all my money back, even though they were paying? That I told you they're not paying. As I checked this website, on my withdrawal they ask for cash points, just the same as Moneybird. So please don't try to lose your money. When you want to earn some money, when you need you have economical needs, you think that it's right and it's working and a lot of people are here and a lot of people are earning, but even though it is a lie, you don't want to believe that. So be honest with yourself and try not to fool yourself. Just don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.